Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to start Class 8 Science question answers of Chapter 8, that is Cell Structure and Functions. Question number 1 is indicate whether the following statements are true or false. A is unicellular organisms have one-celled body. This statement is true. B is muscle cells are branched. This statement is false because nerve cells are branched and muscle cells are spindle in shape. C is the basic living unit of an organism is an organ. This statement is false. The basic living unit of an organism is a cell. D is amoeba has irregular shape. This statement is true. Amoeba, it keeps on changing its shape. Question number 2 is make a sketch of a human nerve cell. What function do nerve cell perform? The diagram is given over here, human nerve cell, and the functions of the nerve cell is it receives and transfers messages, thereby helping to control and coordinate the working of different parts of the body. Nerve cells, they take message from the brain and send to the different parts of the body. Question number 3 is write short notes on the following. A is cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like substance present between the cell membrane and the nucleus. Various other components or organelles of the cells are present in cytoplasm. These are mitochondria, Golgi bodies, ribosomes, etc. Mitochondria, they give energy to the cell to do various processes. That is why they are known as the powerhouse of the cell. B part is nucleus of a cell. It is an important component of the living cell. The nucleus is generally spherical and located in the center of the cell. It is composed of the following components. A is nuclear membrane, second is nucleolus, and the last one is chromosomes. Now, the nuclear membrane, nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm by a membrane called nuclear membrane. B part is nucleolus, a small spherical body in the nucleus. It is called nucleolus. The last one is chromosomes. These are thread-like structures that carry genes and help in inheritance or transfer of characters from the parents to the offspring. क्रोमोसोम्स जो हैं ये थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं दिखने में और ये जीन्स कैरी करते हैं फ्रॉम द पेरेंट्स एंड दे ट्रांसफर इट टू देयर चिल्ड्रन उनको हम क्रोमोसोम्स बोलते हैं. Question number 4 is which part of the cell contains organelles? Answer is organelles of cells are present in cytoplasm. Question number 5 is make sketches of animal and plant cells. State three differences between them. Animal cells, they are generally small in size, whereas plant cells, they are usually larger than the animal cell. In animal cells, cell wall is absent, whereas in plant cells, cell wall is present. It protects the plant from extreme climatic conditions, that is temperature, wind, etc. In animal cell, vacuoles are small in size, whereas in plant cell, vacuoles are larger in size. No other animal cell possesses plastids except for the protozoa. Example, Euglena. Protozoa, they are the organisms that eat other plants and animals for nutrients and energy. Example is Euglena. It is an algae. It forms a green patch on a stagnant water. In plant cell, plastids are present. Plastids, they are of different colors and they are scattered in cytoplasm. Here is the diagram, that is animal cell and the plant cell. Cytoplasm, um, that is visible in both. Nucleus, that is also present in both. Cell membrane, that is also present in both. Cell wall, that is present only in the plant cell and it is not in the animal cell. Then mitochondria, then vacuole. Vacuole is larger in the plant cell, whereas in animal cell it is smaller in size. And chloroplast, that is the green pigment which you can see in the plant cell, that is called chloroplast. Question number 6 is, state the difference between eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Eukaryotes, they are mostly multicellular. Prokaryotes, they are mostly unicellular. Eukaryotes, the nucleus is well defined and is surrounded by the nuclear membrane, whereas in prokaryotes, the nucleus is poorly defined due to the absence of a nuclear membrane. In eukaryotes, nucleolus is present, whereas in prokaryotes, nucleolus is absent. Eukaryotes, cell organelles such as plastids, mitochondria, Golgi bodies, etc. are present. Examples are fungi, plant and animal cells are eukaryotic cells. In prokaryotics, cell organelles such as plastids, mitochondria, Golgi bodies, etc. are absent. Example, bacteria and blue-green algae are prokaryotic cells. Question number 7 is, where are chromosomes found in a cell? State their function. The answer is, chromosomes are found in nucleus of the cell. Their function is to carry genes and help in inheritance or transfer of characters from the parents to the offspring. इसमें क्या होता है कि जो पेरेंट्स के जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं, they are transferred to their children. For example, color of the eyes, curly hairs, etc. Question number 8 is, cells are the basic structural units of living organism. Explain. Answer is, a cell is the smallest unit of life and is capable of all life functions. Cells are the building blocks of life. ये सबसे छोटी यूनिट है लाइफ की एंड और ये जो है ये बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स हैं लाइफ के. ऑल सेल्स वेरी इन देयर शेप्स, साइज एंड एक्टिविटी दे परफॉर्म. ये जो सेल्स हैं ये वेरी करते हैं शेप में, साइज में और एक्टिविटी ये जो परफॉर्म करते हैं. इन फैक्ट द शेप एंड साइज ऑफ द सेल इज रिलेटेड टू द स्पेसिफिक फंक्शन इट परफॉर्म्स. Different cells combine to form tissues and tissues combine to form organs. Similarly, organs combine to form organ system and all the organ systems form living organism. Question number 9 is, explain why chloroplasts are found only in plant cell. Chloroplast is a type of plastid which stores chlorophyll which traps sunlight for the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis का मतलब होता है plants अपना खाना खुद बनाते हैं. As only plants perform photosynthesis, so chloroplasts are found only in plant cells. तो ये एनिमल्स में ये फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस नहीं होता है, वो अपना खाना खुद नहीं बनाते हैं, तो इसलिए एनिमल्स के अंदर क्लोरोप्लास्ट नहीं पाया जाता है. Question number 10. Complete the crossword puzzle. Across. This is necessary for photosynthesis. The answer is chlorophyll. Term for component present in the cytoplasm, that is organelle. The living substance in the cell, that is protoplasm. Unit of inheritance present on the chromosomes, that is genes. Down is green plastids that are called chloroplasts. Second is formed by collection of tissues, that is organ. Next one is it separates the contents of the cell from the surrounding medium, that is the membrane. Empty structure in the cytoplasm, that is vacuole. A group of cells that is called tissue. Do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.